Summer is soon approaching, and girl, I have to wear some bikini. Hello, yummies, a very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash, and I hope you are doing very well. I am also kicking very strong. In today's video, I am super excited to share with you this easy Abomu recipe with yam substitute to lose some belly fat. Super healthy, low in carbohydrates, rich in iron, full of healthy fats and vegetables. And as a Ghanaian, you can serve this for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So to begin with, I cook some spinach and pepper for about 5 minutes. And after the 5 minutes, I take the pepper out and then place it in an asanka. And to it, I add some peanuts and onions. Then proceed to grind it for about 2 to 3 minutes. In addition to that, I will add in some koobi powder, that is about 1 tablespoonful, and grind it. To see how I made this koobi powder, kindly check the description or in the comment section. I will leave a link to that video. Really simple and very helpful in the kitchen. So at this point, I taste for salt and add in more because the koobi powder doesn't contain a lot of salt. Then I grind it for about a minute. When it comes to the koobi, you can use the original normal koobi, but please soak it in water for some few minutes before boiling it together with the spinach and pepper, or better still, you can toton it. I will now come in with the cooked spinach and grind it for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have koobi at home, then you can use momone. It can do the job very well. So if you're looking forward to losing some weight and you have no idea of the type of meals, foods and drinks to prepare, then kindly check the description. I am going to leave a link down there which contains all the foods and drinks I am taking in to lose some weight. Now in goes in some totons, tomatoes, and I'm going to grind it till it is well grinded. I'll also add in a little bit of salt to it and grind it nicely. Now I am done grinding it. I'm going to cover it and set it aside. So now let's prepare our yam substitute or plantain substitute. With me here I have some cucumber. I'll cut it into 2 and peel it nicely. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to divide it into 4 equal parts. And to make it more presentable and more eatable, I will cut each 1/4 part into 2. So I am done. I will set it aside and proceed to open my sardine. Now when it comes to the sardine, you can use any protein of your choice, but I prefer to use sardines. I'm not going to be adding the oil from the sardine, and I'll take only 2 pieces of the fish. But you can take any amount of fishes from the sardine, and as I said, you can use any protein of your choice. Then I start adding in my yam substitute, which is the cucumber. This food is not complete without an egg. Now my abomu and yam substitute, the healthiest way, is ready. No palm oil whatsoever. Very healthy and very nutritious. It tastes absolutely delicious. No carbohydrates, but it keeps you full for a very long time. So if you haven't already, please take a second to like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more content and make sure to hit the bell icon for all notifications so you never miss a new recipe whenever I upload. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video and hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Choose.